how to record a WhatsApp video call with audio. So if you want to record a WhatsApp video call with audio, then what you need to do is you need to open up your WhatsApp at first. After opening your WhatsApp, you need to navigate to the conversation with the person where you want to record the call. So you need to go and make a call, and while you are in a call, you'll need to enable screen recording in your device. For that, you'll need to launch your control center, which will be in the top, and here you will find an option of screen recording icon. You'll need to press and hold on to that screen recording, and then enable the option of microphone or the audio. Once you do that, start your screen recording. With that, you will record your call along with the audio. So if you don't have the built-in screen recorder, then you can also use a third-party application or a third-party recorder from your Play Store or your App Store, and then you'll be able to record with your audio. So that's how you can record WhatsApp video call with audio. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.